Welcome. Please don't walk away. Hi, I'm Tyson from ITI TAITRA, and in this video, I would like to briefly show you how to pronounce the W sound. Depending on the word and the placement of the sound within a word, W can be fairly easy, or it can be very difficult to even recognize the sound. We use this sound in words like want or quick. To create the W sound, you will need to exercise a few muscles in your face. So take out a mirror or use your smartphone camera to see yourself. What you will do is bring your lips very far forward and make them very small on the front, like you're going to whistle, like this. Try not to purse or pinch your lips on the sides. Also, make sure your top teeth do not touch the bottom lip, or it might sound like V. When you move to the next sound, it should be a very fast transition, so notice how quickly I make the sound. W. 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 Be careful not to make an oo sound. The main difference here is that my mouth is smaller in the front with the W sound. Notice the difference. W, oo, W, oo, W. So let's start with some words that have the W sound in the middle of each word. Notice how I really pull my lips forward. Away, away, unwind, unwind, toward, toward, quit, quit. Now, W can be a little more challenging at the beginning of a word, especially when it comes before or oo. As you are practicing your pronunciation, the trick here is to make sure the W is clearly defined. In time, this will feel and sound more natural. So let's try these words now. Here we go. W. W. Walk, walk, window, window, wood, wood, not would, notice where your lips are, would, woo, woo. Again, notice how my mouth gets slightly larger when I come to oo. Woo. All right. Now give the muscles in your face a bit of a rest for now and come back and try again later. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a thumbs up. If you're watching us on Facebook, make sure you hit that like button. If you'd like to know more about ITI and its International Business and English programs, click on the link below or go to www.iti.org.tw.